A very good morning, students. Let us now discuss how do fish or animals that live in water, they breathe. Just absorb this. You all must have seen a fish, isn't it, children? You must have seen that fish have gills. This is the special organ through which they breathe in. Okay? Now that is red in color. You can see gills. They have gills are actually covered and it has filaments. You can see the filaments. Isn't it? So animals, like all aquatic animals, the animals that live in water, like fish, prawns, crabs, tadpoles, breathe through gills. Okay? They breathe in through gills. And gills is their special organ which they have to breathe in. Fish. Here also you can see they have special organ to breathe in. So this just below the grill you have that slit. They have a slit. Their gills have slits and there is a cover over the gills and there are filaments. Okay, and there is a cover and each gill is made up of filaments, number of gill filaments, and these are red in color. Why? Because there is abundant supply of blood. Abundant means in a large quantity, and due to abundant supply it is red in color. And as the water flows over the gills, because they live in water, so water is over their body and they exchange gases takes place. Here what happens, that fish breathes through its gills. Gills are special organs of the fish which only the aquatic animals only have, and gills are red in color because of abundant supply of blood, and gills absorb oxygen from the water. As you know, water is there in the water you have oxygen, not only oxygen, other air means oxygen, carbon dioxide and all this thing. And from there oxygen from the water, and they take the oxygen and then they release the carbon dioxide through their gills. So this is how the fish breathe. Next, coming to the amphibians. As you know, amphibians, children, they live both on land and in water. Like frogs, when they are baby, they breathe in through gills like fish. Okay, like other aquatic animals. Baby frog, when it is a baby, mostly the amphibians when they are baby, they breathe in through gills. But when they are adults, when they grow up, they breathe through their lungs, and an adult frog, they breathe through lungs on the land. When it is on the land, it breathes through lungs. But when it is in water, it breathes in through moist skin. So when it is in water, sometimes these amphibians, they go to the water and then they breathe in through moist skin. But when they are in on the land, they breathe in through lungs as other mammals. Okay, so this is your frog. Moist skin means, you know, the skin is wet. Okay, so this is how fish and frogs breathe. Okay, thank you, children.